In a faraway kingdom, nestled among rolling hills and winding rivers, there existed a legendary book known as the Book of Wisdom. It was said to hold the secrets of the universe, the accumulated knowledge of generations past, and the guidance to lead a fulfilling life. Many had heard of its existence, but few had ever laid eyes upon its sacred pages. Among those intrigued by the tales of the Book of Wisdom was a young and curious girl named Sophia. With an insatiable thirst for knowledge and a heart yearning for enlightenment, she embarked on a grand adventure to seek out this legendary book. Armed with a tattered map and an unwavering determination, Sophia ventured into uncharted lands, facing numerous trials and obstacles along the way. She traversed dense forests, treacherous mountains, and crossed turbulent rivers, guided solely by her belief in the power of wisdom. Her journey brought her to the ancient Temple of Enlightenment, a magnificent structure hidden deep within a mystical forest. The temple's weathered stone walls stood tall, a testament to the wisdom held within. Sophia approached the temple's entrance with trepidation and awe, her heart pounding with anticipation. Inside the temple, Sophia discovered a chamber adorned with ancient tomes and mystical artifacts. And there, resting on an ornate pedestal, she saw the Book of Wisdom, its leather-bound cover weathered by time. She could sense the wisdom emanating from its very pages. With trembling hands, Sophia opened the book, immersing herself in the profound knowledge inscribed within. Its words spoke of compassion, courage, love, and the interconnectedness of all things. Each page turned illuminated her mind, filling her with newfound insights and understanding. But the true essence of the Book of Wisdom lay not merely in the words on its pages, but in the journey of self-discovery that Sophia embarked upon. The book acted as a guide, encouraging her to look within herself, to explore her own desires, and to embrace the wisdom that resided deep within her own heart. As Sophia continued her travels, armed with the teachings of the Book of Wisdom, she encountered people from different walks of life. She shared the knowledge she had gained, inspiring others to seek their own paths of enlightenment and wisdom. Through her words and actions, she became a beacon of hope and guidance, igniting a spark of wisdom in the hearts of those she encountered. In time, Sophia returned to her village, her soul alight with newfound wisdom and understanding. She shared her incredible journey and the lessons she had learned, inspiring her community to embark on their own quests for wisdom and self-discovery. And so, the legend of the Book of Wisdom lived on, not merely as a sacred tome, but as a reminder to all that true wisdom is not found in the acquisition of knowledge alone, but in the journey of self-exploration and the shared wisdom of humanity. From that day forward, Sophia's village became a haven of wisdom and enlightenment, where people came from far and wide to seek guidance and learn from the collective wisdom of its inhabitants. And as for Sophia, she continued her journey, forever inspired by the Book of Wisdom and the transformative power it held within its ancient pages.